If you are planning to start a poultry farm, then stop for a moment. Because most beginners don't lose money because of the business, they lose it because of poor management mistakes that silently destroy their flock and profit. Mistake number 1: wrong chick selection. The first and most important step starts before the farm even begins: selecting the right chicks. Always buy chicks from a certified and authorized hatchery. Never compromise on source quality, because weak or unhealthy chicks can damage the entire flock performance from day one. Also, select a breed that is suitable for your local climate. Some breeds perform better in heat, while others are suitable for cold areas. If the breed does not match your environment, birds will face stress, poor growth, and higher mortality. So always focus on right source, right breed, right climate. Mistake number 2: no financial planning. Many farmers invest in birds, feed, and setup, but they ignore backup capital. Poultry farming is not a one-time investment. It is a continuous cash flow business. Feed, medicine, electricity, and unexpected losses can come anytime. Without financial backup, even a small problem can turn into a big loss. Mistake number 3: overfeeding. The third mistake is overfeeding. New farmers think more feed means faster growth, but that is not true. Extra feed only increases cost and wastage. It can also lead to fat deposition in birds, reducing their efficiency and overall performance. So always follow a proper feeding program based on age and requirement, not emotion. Mistake number 4: dirty water and poor feed management. Water and feed management are basic, but very critical. Dirty water spreads disease quickly and reduces immunity. Unbalanced feeding also slows growth and increases cost. Both feed and water should always be clean, fresh, and properly scheduled. Mistake number 5: poor ventilation and ammonia gas. Ventilation is one of the most important factors in poultry farming. Without proper airflow, harmful gases like ammonia build up inside the shed. This gas directly damages the respiratory system, reduces feed intake, and weakens immunity. It also increases heat stress and mortality. Proper ventilation is not optional. It is a survival requirement for birds. Mistake number 6: overcrowding. Keeping too many birds in a small space creates stress and disease spread. Overcrowding increases humidity, ammonia levels, and reduces growth performance. Proper space management is essential for healthy and profitable farming. Now, we give you a pro advice for proper farm management system. Successful farmers always work with a system. You must maintain vaccination schedule, feed chart, age-wise plan, production or egg record, daily feed and water tracking. This helps you detect problems early and improve performance. If you avoid these mistakes and follow proper management, poultry farming can become a highly profitable business. Stay connected and subscribe Farm Inside for more practical farming knowledge, real field experience, and step-by-step guidance that actually works and increase your profit.